Pink is one of the most beautiful colors to work with. It is the color of youth, love, spring, and renewal in general. Yet it can be tricky to create it. So in this class, we are plunging into the nitty-gritty of mixing pinks in watercolor and then practicing it on 4 different projects. My name is Imelda and I'm a watercolor illustrator. I've been a professional illustrator since 2018 and have worked mostly in children's book illustration, but I also really enjoy teaching watercolor workshops. I have used this technique right from the beginning, and while I extremely enjoy mixing my own colors, I've always found pinks to be somewhat challenging to create. So in today's class, I'm going to walk you through the foolproof way of mixing different types of pink in watercolor and then use these colors to paint 4 different pictures. I'm going to guide you through how to paint some flowers, a butterfly, a donut and a flamingo step by step. Having no drawing experience is no problem at all, as I have attached templates to the course that you can copy to paint along with me. At the very end, I'm also going to give you 10 more drawing prompts to practice your pinks. By the end of the class, you will not only be a confident pink mixer, but you'll also have 4 beautiful paintings and a lot more ideas as to how you could explore pink even further. Watercolor is an easy and fun medium, so if you are a lover of this color, this class is a must for you. There is no reason why you shouldn't succeed as a complete beginner, but it will help if you have a bit of watercolor knowledge, particularly when it comes to controlling water. So come along with me and let's plunge into pink.